Hey, my name is Phil and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a product named Speechelo. And in the Speechelo review, I'm going to be showing you exactly what Speechelo is, how you can use it. I'm going to be also sharing some examples that I've already created. And if you want to get a Speechelo discount link, there is one in the description. And I'm going to be showing you how you can use 2 special codes in a ninja way to actually get more off Speechelo than anyone else is showing you online. So first of all, what is Speechelo? Well, Speechelo is a text-to-voice AI platform, which basically turns text into voiceovers. Now, this is perfect for people that want to create voiceovers for videos, or they want to turn their blog posts into actual voices, potentially for a podcast or an audiobook. It's a very powerful tool, and to be honest, when I actually played around with it just before, I was very surprised with the quality of the sound that actually came out. So what I'm going to do right now, instead of talking about it, I'm actually going to jump behind the screen and show you Speechelo. Okay, here we are behind the screen. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you the Speechelo homepage because I want to show you how you can actually get the best Speechelo discount. Now, if you've used the link in the description, it's already going to give you a 53% discount, which is bringing the total to $47. But don't worry, I'm actually going to show you how you can get it cheaper. So first of all, you want to click on the Buy Now button. It's going to take you to the bottom of the screen, and then you want to click on the Buy Now button once again. Now, this is going to take you to the checkout page, and I'm going to show you how we can actually make it cheaper. Now, first of all, I'm just going to make it into United States country, so it brings it to US dollars. Now, as you can see, we've got here the coupon Speechelo 47, right? What we actually want to do is replace it. I've got 2 different coupon codes you can actually use. We just have to modify it a bit. So what you need to do is actually come to the very top of your screen here. And as you can see, we have in this section coupon equals Speechelo 47. What you want to do is just highlight the Speechelo 47 and then type in founders 37, right? And press enter. And you'll notice that when it loads again, I'll just change it back to USD. It's dropped the price down to $37, right? So that's very good. We've saved an additional $10. But I've found another coupon code that I'm going to give to you. I'm not sure how long it's going to stay up for. If you are watching this video, take advantage of it while it's around. What you want to do is, once again, take out the coupon, which at this stage is founders 37, and then type in black 73. Now watch the magic of this particular coupon code. Once again, I'll just change it back to United States, US dollars. It's now $27, right? So it went from $100 to $47 using my link, went down to $37, but we've actually used another coupon code, black73, taking it down to $27. So that's like 73% off basically. You now get it for $23. Absolutely incredible. So what I'm going to do right now is actually show you Speechelo. So here it is. Here is my back office. I've actually been playing around with it, as you can see, testing out different voices, and I'm going to give you a bit of a walkthrough. Now, when you first log in, there is an explainer demo, which I did watch, and it did teach me sort of how to get started, but I'll give you the rough overview of how it works, just so you can understand. So basically, there is 3 different memberships you can get. There is the standard, which is what I'm currently on. There is the pro, which actually gives you a lot more voices to use. And then you've also got the worldwide, which I believe has even more voices. Plus, you can have an import YouTube caption button, right? So it's going to import YouTube captions and then turn them into voiceovers, which is quite powerful. For this example, though, I'm just going to show you the standard version because I know a lot of people will start with that. If you find you don't quite have the voices that you require, you can always upgrade on the back end later on. It's entirely up to you. Now, just to let you know, there is 171 voices in total. I think there's 67 that you get on the pro plan. I believe on the standard you might only get 30. It may have changed over time, but that's basically what you can look for. But just to let you know, the one that they always talk about the most is Billy Joey Male, which is the top choice, and you can get it for free. And just to let you know which ones are free and which ones aren't, if you come down here on the right, you can see the blue circles that are a little bit darker are the ones you can actually use, and then the ones that are lighter that have pro on the end are the pro version ones. So if you find that you don't have the right voice for your campaign, you may need to upgrade. Regardless, I'm going to show you what we can currently have. Now, just to let you know, I've actually copy and pasted this from one of my YouTube captions. This is actually for a Doodle Maker review. And what I've just done is played around with the different voices and the different settings to see what actually sounds good. Now, if all goes well, you should actually be able to hear this. So what I'm going to do is play you a few versions. You might be quite surprised at how good it actually sounds.
If you're looking for a custom whiteboard animation software, you'll want to check out this Doodle Maker review. Doodle Maker is a powerful tool that allows you to create whiteboard, glassboard, or blackboard animation videos within a few minutes.
So that's pretty good. It's this version's actually sped up a little bit. You can change things like the speed as well as the speaking rate, the pitch, everything like that. So it's quite incredible for that. So I think that's a bit of a pass for English. What surprised me more though was actually the Australian one. I'll give you a quick demo here.
If you're looking for a custom whiteboard animation software, you'll want to check out this Doodle Maker review. Doodle Maker is a powerful tool that allows you to create whiteboard, glassboard.
So that's actually really incredible. I'm very impressed with the Australian voice. And I'll just quickly show you a British one as well for all you UK peeps.
If you're looking for a custom whiteboard animation software, you'll want to check out this Doodle Maker review. Doodle Maker is a powerful tool.
So you guys get the idea of how it actually works. And just to let you know, there are loads of different accents that you can actually choose from. It's a very powerful tool. So to actually make this work right, all you need to do is basically type in the text you want to use. So for example, if I said, welcome to this Speechelo review. My name is Phil and I want to show you how it works. Right, what you basically want to do is come through and what you want to do is emphasize a few words. Now, just before we get into that, there's two different types of voice sort of engines that you can use. The standard one, which is like the manual version, or the AI voice, which does it for you. Now, I can give you a quick example. So if I start off with the standard, it's just going to preview it.
Welcome to this Speechelo review. My name is Phil and I want to show you how it works.
So as you can see for the preview, it actually only uses the first little part of the actual sentence. But once you actually generate the entire voiceover, it does the entire track. So that was the standard. This is the AI. There are three options with AI: the normal, friendly, and serious. Majority of the time in all of these tutorials, they always use the friendly tone and they use Billy, Joey, male. There is also other options there if you wish to use it. This is the Billy Joey. I'll try to cut over a good voice clip so you can actually hear what it sounds like properly.
Welcome to this Speechelo review. My name is Phil and I want to show you how it works.
So as you can see, it sounds a lot nicer. It's a lot better in my personal opinion than the standard. Now, I should probably point out that on the tutorial, it actually recommends that you don't put too many sentences in the actual box at once. Reason being, if it doesn't quite say the word properly, it's easier to actually go back and modify each sort of sentence rather than going back with entire scripts, if that makes sense. So what they recommend you do is actually do a sentence or two at a time, preview it. If it sounds good so far, generate it, then check it. If it's good, then move on to the next sentence. And then once you're actually finished it, you can highlight which ones you want to use, and then you just choose the ones, click on merge selected, and what it's actually going to do is go ahead and create an entire track for you. So it's really important to note that, and you can make it as long as you want. The good part about it too is for the standard plan, you can only have 5,000 characters per edit, but regardless, if you do it in this method, it doesn't matter if you go pro or not, because the pro you get 20,000 characters, but you'll be stitching them together, so it doesn't actually matter. So you'll probably notice that it's actually saying it wrong. What you may have to do in terms of the software is overemphasize of certain things. So this says Speechelo. We could say we could change it to having 2 L's. Let's see if it changes it a little bit.
Welcome to this Speechelo review. My name is...
So that still says Speechelo. What I could actually do is put 2 E's.
Welcome to this Speechelo review.
Perfect. So as you can see, you just have to play around with it a little bit just to make sure the words are being pronounced right. Now, if you wanted to adjust the speech for some certain reason, for example, if you wanted it to be louder, you could do so by making it louder. If you want it to be faster, you can do so by making it faster. All I recommend you do is you always click on the beginning of it first, and then also you want to put the end speech where you want it to stop. So if you wanted the entire thing to be loud and fast, do it there. Or if you just wanted a certain section, just put these brackets before and after the certain part that you want to be loud and fast. To give you an example of what it sounds like now, I'll just click preview.
Welcome to the Speechelo review. My name is Phil and this is a preview.
See, it's a lot faster now. So there's lots of things to play with. It's actually quite interesting how it works. But let's just say this is my entire video clip. Voice clip. I'm happy with it. I'm going to go ahead and click generate voiceover, and within a few seconds, it's ready to go. I can play it fully there, or I can download it and it's all good to go. So that's basically Speechelo. I don't know if it's Speechelo or Speechelo now. I'm really confused, but regardless, it's a very good tool. What I'm actually going to do right now is I want to talk to you more about who this tool is actually perfect for, but to do so, I'm actually going to jump behind the camera. Okay, so there you have it. That is Speechelo. As you can see, it's so easy to use. Literally type in the text and press generate, and there it goes. And it is a very good sounding voiceover too, I must admit. I was really impressed with the Australian accent. They actually nailed it for an AI software. And I've got a few other text-to-speech AI softwares out there, and I believe this one's probably the best. So that's really saying something. Now, this tool is really good for people who create either videos, tutorials, or training. Reason being, it creates such a less amount of workload to actually do this. You literally type in the text, press generate, out it comes. And it's also perfect for people that have a bit of a thick accent and other people struggling to understand what they're saying. You can use Speechelo, just put out the text, everyone can hear it, you know, it sounds perfect. And there you go. It's literally as simple as that. So overall, I believe Speechelo is an amazing tool. Once again, if you want to get the best price possible, use the link in the description and use those discount codes I walked you through earlier. It definitely works. It's amazing. But apart from that, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this Speechelo review. It is a very cool tool, and I am proud to actually go through it today. Apart from that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe. Lots of good stuff coming out in the near future. And also lots of bonuses in the description if you want to check those out as well. That's it from me, guys. I'll see you on the next video.